Here we are on day 12, and I just wanted to remind you and guide you into a thought of creating your intention and a word that just resets your mind, body, spirit to be in that intention. Again, the focus of how you go forward in your day is huge, right? You can have a challenging day, and in the challenge, you can still stay centered, calm, and focused on the things that are important to you. So, today, what I want you to do is take a deep breath with me and take a minute just to remember what is your intention. And it could be the bigger ones that you've set for this 21 day, or it could just be for today. And find one word that helps you do a reset, just encapsulates your reset button. I want you to think about that word for a minute. Have you found it? I have, and I'll actually send it as the picture of this post. And in that reset button, I want you to think about just writing that word down, how someone in your life who you really get a lot of comfort from would say that word, what that word feels like, what it reminds you of, how it feels in your body. Just let it almost loom all around you like 360 degrees and centering you. Feel it in your heart, feel it in your stomach, feel it in your mind, in your head, feel it in your feet. So it just takes a minute, a second, a split second to just reset yourself and focus on something intentional that reminds you and holds you in your intention, and hold it strong. Bring that word back to yourself whenever you feel like you're drifting away into a distraction or into some kind of negative thought pattern. You get to hold your intention. No one else has control over that except for you. And no matter what is going on, your powerful mind can do many things at once. And then throughout the whole time of doing it, it can hold intention too the whole time. So have that be the dominant thought of your day, and everything else just is around that thought. Okay, good luck. Can't wait to hear what your intentional word is of the day. See you tomorrow.